Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Honorable Speaker, I rise before this esteemed House today to discuss a topic that has sparkled debate across the world and holds significant implications for the Indian economy: cryptocurrency. The rise of digital currencies has ushered in a new era of financial innovation, but it has also presented regulatory challenges, security concerns, and economic risks. As representatives of the people, we must carefully analyze both the potential benefits and dangers associated with cryptocurrency to determine the best course of action for India. Cryptocurrency, in its simplest form, is a decentralized digital currency that operates on blockchain technology. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments and regulated by central banks, cryptocurrencies function independently of central authorities. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and numerous other cryptocurrencies have gained popularity over the years, attracting investors, technologists, and financial institutions alike. These digital assets have been promoted as a means of financial inclusion, investment, and cross-border transactions. However, along with their promise, they have also raised serious concerns about economic stability, security risks, and their potential misuse for illegal activities. One of the biggest advantages of cryptocurrency is the efficiency and transparency it offers. Blockchain technology ensures that every transaction is recorded on a decentralized ledger, reducing the risk of fraud and corruption. In a country like India, where financial transactions often face delays and bureaucratic inefficiencies, cryptocurrency has the potential to revolutionize digital payments. It can facilitate faster and cheaper cross-border remittances, benefiting millions of Indians working abroad who send money home. The elimination of intermediaries in transactions could lead to reduced costs and increased financial accessibility for the unbanked population. Cryptocurrency has also emerged as a lucrative investment option, attracting a growing number of young investors and technology enthusiasts in India. With the rise of digital financial markets, many see cryptocurrency as the future of wealth generation. India has one of the highest numbers of cryptocurrency users in the world, demonstrating the enthusiasm and interest of its citizens in this new financial ecosystem. The underlying blockchain technology is also opening doors for innovations in sectors like healthcare, supply chain management, and governance. If harnessed properly, India can become a global hub for blockchain innovation, driving technological advancements and economic growth. However, while the opportunities presented by cryptocurrency are undeniable, so are the risks. One of the primary concerns surrounding cryptocurrency is its extreme price volatility. Unlike traditional assets, the value of cryptocurrencies fluctuates unpredictably, leading to massive financial gains for some but devastating losses for others. Many inexperienced investors, lured by the promise of high returns, have lost their savings due to sudden market crashes. The volatility poses a serious challenge to financial stability, and without proper regulation, millions of investors could be exposed to undue financial risks. Another major concern is the potential use of cryptocurrency for illegal activities, including money laundering, terror financing, and tax evasion. Such cryptocurrency transactions are pseudonymous and difficult to trace. They can be exploited by criminals to conduct illicit financial activities without detection. The absence of a regulatory framework makes it harder for law enforcement agencies to track fraudulent transactions, posing a significant threat to national security. While blockchain technology itself is transparent, the lack of oversight allows bad actors to misuse these digital assets. The environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining is another pressing issue that cannot be ignored. Mining cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin requires an enormous amount of computational power, consuming vast amounts of electricity. Countries across the world have raised concerns about the carbon footprint associated with cryptocurrency mining. In a country like India, where energy resources need to be conserved for development, large-scale mining operations could strain the power supply and contributed to environmental degradation. From a regulatory perspective, the biggest challenge India faces is striking a balance between innovation and financial security. Some countries have embraced cryptocurrency by establishing clear regulatory frameworks, while others have imposed strict bans due to security concerns. India, however, has remained in a state of uncertainty regarding cryptocurrency regulations. The Reserve Bank of India had previously imposed restrictions on cryptocurrency transactions, which were later overturned by the Supreme Court. While there have been discussions about introducing a digital rupee backed by the central bank, the legal status of privately owned cryptocurrencies remains ambiguous. Regulating cryptocurrency is essential to ensure investor protection, curb illegal activities, and maintain economic stability. However, an outright ban could stifle innovation and push cryptocurrency transactions into unregulated underground markets, making them even harder to monitor. Instead, India should consider a well-structured regulatory framework that addresses the risks while allowing for innovation and growth. Licensing cryptocurrency exchanges, enforcing strict KYC, know your customer norms, and implementing tax policies can help bring cryptocurrency under regulatory supervision. The introduction of a central bank digital currency (CBDC) by the Reserve Bank of India could provide an alternative to privately owned cryptocurrencies.